Webull financial platform, honest review. Watch before using. In this video, I'll give you a straightforward, honest review of the Webull financial platform. If you're considering Webull, watch this first. And remember, I've added links to the platform in the description if you want to explore it further. So what does Webull offer? Webull is a zero-commission brokerage platform designed for active traders, especially those looking to manage their investments on a sleek, mobile-friendly app. It provides a powerful suite of tools, including real-time market data, in-depth charting tools, technical indicators, and customizable watch lists, all in an intuitive, user-friendly layout. The platform also supports trading stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies, which adds to its versatility and appeal, especially for traders who like to keep everything under one roof. Webull also has robust research tools, offering access to Level 2 market data, earnings calendars, analyst ratings, and news updates, which can help you stay informed and make better trading decisions. For beginners, the app provides a paper trading feature, allowing you to practice trading without risking real money. This is a great way to learn the ropes and get comfortable with market fluctuations and the app's interface before going live. However, it's worth noting that Webull may not be ideal for long-term investors focused on passive income or dividend tracking, as it's built with active trading in mind. In short, Webull is designed for those looking for a comprehensive trading experience without the heavy fees. It's a good fit if you're an intermediate or experienced trader who wants access to powerful tools and doesn't mind a learning curve. However, if you're a new investor or prefer a simpler, long-term investing approach, Webull might be a bit overwhelming. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights like this. Your support helps others find valuable information. So thank you for watching.